Good day. Welcome to Bitpos Point of Sales tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn on how to do the return feature of the system. Return is different from void. Voiding is canceling or deleting the whole transaction, while returning is returning just some item or items out of that transaction. Example for returns are those items that are expired, damaged, not functioning, and etc. For this tutorial, on your cart page, we will punch 5 apples and 5 oranges. We will tender these items. After tendering we will simulate to have a return. In your receipt kindly locate the sales order number. If you don't have the receipt of that transaction, go to the back office, check the reports, sales detail report, and locate that transaction. After you get the SO number for that transaction, go back to the Bitpos cashiering. Using keyboard, press Ctrl R. You are asked to fetch the SO number. Input the SO number and then enter. The items under that transaction will appear. Select the item you want to return. You can see the RQTY, this means return quantity. If you want to return 3 apples, just click the plus button of the keyboard until you reach 3 RQTY. Press Ctrl Enter to proceed the return sales. You are asked to have a return memo. Input whatever valid reason for that return. Press Enter a couple of times and then an updated receipt will print less the 3 apples. These 3 apples will go back to inventory. Since our reason is that these items are damaged, we will remove this to our inventory using the negative adjustment in the back office. If other reason like change of mind of customer, there is no need for you to remove the stock, since this returned items can still be sold to other customer. That's how to do the return feature in the Bitpos point of sales. This has been Tech James. See you in the next tutorial. Subscribe for more Bitpos tutorials and new product reveal. Thank you.